says, we are going to investigate.
Money laundering?
Yes. Every bank will investigate.
Wow.
What do you mean? Money laundering. Or no, our offshore account. What do you say? What is country one or the amount? Anytime we are obviously yes, what the man and transfer. Wow. Bank of Ghana should change that policy.
Serious.
Bank of Ghana should change that policy. And when the forest bureau for the brave, even one says if you were offshore account, that is what they also do. Now who small boy, younger boy. Now Jesus Christ. Now we can't who cast now lining up now. Money laundering, Sakawa complete.
I wanted to say this earlier.
Small boy, Sakawa. Look at him. Aqua
now,
wait, small boy.
May your questions are a gun in India.
What do you do? What did that so man? They do hard. We saw naked pictures. Me show. But me person, Chino said, me near be a child. Small boy. Opa, my from me, my pictures in my truth. Now, who are next? One man, you dare me 24 hours. Dare yourself 24 hours. Let me at what. I'll make sure they arrest you because when airport, the guy had the audacity to park. Maybe no parking.
And no, what parking is you?
Yes, or no
airport.
He doesn't obey any law in this country. It won't happen again. And the once I have seen you, I am telling you, I will tell you 24 hours.
This is the middle of the road, though.
Yes. Let's see what. I will say, what it won't happen again. They catch your Ibra. Whoa, stupid boy like you. Mama say, Mommy, idiot. Look at this boy. Or no, tell me, Mommy, 24 hours. Muslim needs to stay here. Wait. I'm telling you, your 419 is finished. All your fake cars, you are going to pay the dues. Now your season swap, that's it. I will not allow them to say, your man go to your duty. It won't happen. On to your duty. We are seizing the cars. On your ready, becoming immediate. They say minimum dance woman, baby. Who a small boy? You want to order me? You got nerves to dare me? A criminal like you, 419 boy, money launderer, who be dare me? What Mexican court you want? Hey, NDC can't save you. NDC can't save you. The fight, who the other you see? When you
great,
baby, and confront the Sika Koma woman. That is how they make the money. Whether it's a drug money, whether it's what, he transfers the money.
Okay, may I come so quickly? We'll be person more information about this guy, Ibra.
Good.
Now, Yenen Kasi.
And I will be a truthful. I could be a truthful.
Hello.
Why you grab myself show naked pictures?
Naked one. Very hot. Yeah. Hello. Good evening.
I'm a fan. This is the but when you see people like this, I don't know what's in the question.
Yeah. Okay. Home member. Just a minute. Hello. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. How you doing?
Yeah. Opening me here, Papa. What is it that you want us to hear?
Ibra, the audience say, boys no more internet in Ghana. I say, Mamin Fantos commerce, okay? What they do is that when these boys talk to the white people abroad, and they're able to convince these people to send money to them. Okay, I'm saying that what Ibra does is that all the people who do internet commerce in Ghana, okay?
Yeah.
Convince people to spend money. Ibra then found out there in these countries, especially in the United States and the United States, so they convince people to send the money account, and then Ibra uses his account there to receive the money. He pays them here.
I see.
And that's how.
Wow. I see. We'll keep your number and then we'll get in touch with you because we'll be helping on this developing story as far as Ibra is concerned. Yeah, there was part at this moment for input or the other. Yes, this is this Ibra guy can see me and the home formation there. But quickly, my main bisa we use now koshi real name ankasan so de Sofa Lamtiana and then you got married. Or Tessana Baptist.
No Jai. No Jai.
Wow.
No Jai.
Ken.
Some kind of
So this is Ibra. ABC, they are not okay. Just a minute.
Yeah, once I catch you, say, money laundering. Transfers. Me, I'm a businessman, so I know. Small boy.
Bank of Ghana. Empty supervise Sanyo.
Small boy. Now, who mommy and two for one? And now, Papa be and two. Kennedy Agyapong, no go area.
And that we do 60th birthday. I
can't make any pictures. Still, let me be a gentleman. I
don't
subscribe to that. Because me, I don't like those kind of things. But what Jimmy Swai show, who's one I'm 24 hours. Me also 2 hours, but better. When you know, on to your duty. Customs, Ghana Revenue Authority. I'm coming there tomorrow. I'll go and show you his house. All those cars should be seized for him to prove how much duty he paid. 419 boy who got nerves to come and warn me. Now, who papa, what is me? Nka ube warning. Who papa, what is me? Who papa, what is me? Nka ube warning. Now, small boy, just a wife 419 yeska. Now, woman tune for woman tune for. You dare me? Maybe end 24 hours. You'll be arrested.
Ken, she message via Branty or try to come up president. I think this is even going to make all of us quite disturbed. I mean, can't message. A Branty brain at Troy. Or say, I want Ghanaians to know that there is no coronavirus in Ghana. That short man, Nanado, is just playing mind games with us. Nana Addo claims he closed down nightclubs, churches, and others to prevent the spread. Yet someone like Cheddar is still operating his nightclub locate. Because some top people in the country, he came out to now his hotels as isolation center just to confuse Ghanaians. But in reality, it is just he can continue running his business secretly. Hey, I brought you to make us a job, Anthony.
Yeah, well, you're a small boy now, Sikako.
Wow.
Sakawa for the Sao fraud money. Oh, ni counterpart, your friend Halu. I want to register in Mercedes Benz. Hello. I'm coming after all of you. Read my lips.
Bank of Ghana,
what do you have now? What can one say? What million you trade with? Come and check all my cars. If I don't believe it, whoa, you will see what will happen in this country. And I want to see any NDC man who thinks he's tough that can bail you. I want to see that. It will be in my grave. I want to see that. Now, if you say who are Saka one boy is wrong, until you can fool around, not with Kennedy Agyapong, because I'm not scared of you. You are just a chicken. For the moment, first 5 days, you see what will happen to this war in this country. It will happen to you because you are a criminal. You are not genuine. And nobody taught you common sense. Said, what you are and you're clean, government can come after you. Nonsense to president, talk anyhow. You dare me 24 hours? Are you out of your mind? 24 hours? Maybe I knew 24 hours. I'm coming back. Now they are sick. The first 2-3 days, what will happen to you in this country? What part of cars you now go see? What to me the cars you go see and you are not a man. Like the way you are talking. Oh, I can't know we know. I say you're cheating. As I'm not if you are cheating when you're baby now. So, Simon, this foolish boy wants to start. But look at this boy. We are not so decent. We naked pictures in social media. Coming to me. Now, Benjamin as a father. Who Benjamin as a father?
60 years.
Range Rover in a bomb. Nebi say Bentley bossing. Nebi say Rolls Royce bossing. Nebi say Maybach bossing.
Escalade.
What do you mean? Now this year I'm to car 7. We check again. What about them wrong? Who are these kind of ma
internet fraud.
Now you will be at who call internet fraud now. You keep the money there. That is money laundering. Forest Bureau, I want to tell you, Forest Bureau, if you haven't tried this first week, you see. I want to see what this young
a lot is coming about this guy.
Yeah, let me say, what the moment 2 days, say you know what? Because if you end up something, if you don't know, I'm telling you.
Ibra.
Yes.
No.
If you don't know, I'm telling you. Also, you're smart. Obi and Tooth. You are playing with fire. And you see it. Oh, to send your mom for me. What can I say? Who the Jawa Hosia?
Now do you need to
just keep quiet.
Ken, you another Ubiso or what latest about this guy? You need some information here.
Okay.
What is that about? Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Obini. MOD. Now, the very latest about Abranti here can once it.
Hello.
Yeah, Kasa.
I'm honorable and we still in time was that for Kimbo Ibra. Only come for Ibra. Tetebu as all dance now. Only she didn't call Kataman to remove or money transfer.
Yeah.
Amount for last 2 years was that or the amount for up till now, between transfer can be ground for it.
We are for the case now.
Kataman to the visa. I am fucking boy, my honorable will sing it 10 crowd more than
but let me teach you say small.
We sit time crowd. Boys, oh yeah, small boy. Every honorable. We will sit time with that fucking boy.
Okay.
But catch them.
You better was
more fun to Otiemia.
Online is
okay. I'm funny, Dimbra.
Yes.
He will pay through his nose.
Let's just say, and it will cause a lot of problems out there.
Now, who
one can into himself.
But mamma, me warning. You got nerves, boy. Why
the shit?
When you scan a fufu, and you are dealing with the wrong person. Miss Cano, me moose Cano. Me move because scanning to me from Kobe. Well, I didn't make Kobe, but I don't let the money get into my head. Until I don't care to face anybody. You worship money. Now, when was that? Yeah, one little bit more NDC is a criminal. I have a problem. Ghana of war, Mujani, and coming in your politics. But Usha boy, now here, Wosu, AJ, now here, Bedukobi, now here, Nigel, what you say, Obia, Obakasa NDC, Biana, where you're from for, or Bibishan Toa, when you say so, I'm finding one more, they will go after him, Tino. Now, what is the work of now, only NDC, ADD, MPP will not. Now, MPP need no be Come and report on that. Who MPP need would be sound was a 70 Ibra no ya. Me acho. Straight away. MPP, the difference between you and once that Central Regional Vice Chairman, once right there. We don't tolerate nonsense and criminals. NDC force should wake up and don't allow people to use their names. People, the moment you mention NDC, they attach you with criminality. What you say? Because when you're criminals, you allow criminals to use your name to dupe people and intimidate people. You better check them. In the Ibra, now what is on Goli? Forex bureau jing Kofosika. On transfer, say, copy the buyer, and them say, Halokolo. Now we're going to cannot to run away. Make sure to on the account to be a memo. The person children answer. One and I for you can. This man is a way me. Meeting baby and way you another information is right. Kennedy Agyapong.
Great. Me enko ahoma no so na yenkodi nkomo kakra na yenhwada information e wa branti on Adepa. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, opening
MOD. Yes, so free Niger kura Zam Zabrama.
All right. Dear now, person, uchire mujire.
Oh, Ibra, or your 4-1, or your crew can kata. Only hello guy now.
Yeah, hello, yeah.
Yeah,
yes.
They were very, very close friends. And then hello made a transaction of about I think $800,000, and then Ibra was supposed to pay the guy, but Ojuchi and Kakaka $400,000, and $400,000 no. Hello no de far so he managed to involve a lot of people. Oh, that social media, you know. Ibra was finding no Janyako Agrochi, and I seizing a Benz SLS, and also were customizing Ibra with his bag. Ibra was put in prison for like 2 days. If you also call on a boy, his close friend, the friend Latif. almost on the cool a lot of the wings. East Legon, Lord of the Wings. On the cool, East Legon, Lord of the Wings. We know manager no ka catch on the cool. The boy Baho, Ismail Baho, oh boys now Baho, Ibra Nankasan senior brother. So that's the two issue. It's Ibra there. Oh, we know a lot about Ibra. Ibra there. Onubia. Or the Ismail crowd the issue about concerning this money. So he's another person, another guy. His name Ismail.
You didn't say
Ismail.
Okay.
Ismail, yeah. Only Ismail so the issue. Only the boy. The boy when you almost started with Padama. Oh, Ibra, so because of Onimokoro, Fadam Okoro.
Oh, okay, Okoro car dealer.
Onimokoro.
Okay.
Abbas Telitimunti. Yeah.
Oh, we're Langa.
Okoro.
Langa, yeah. So they think they are above the law.
Yeah.
Oh, Okoro, I know Okoro, I know Abbas, I know Awala.
Connection, you know.
I'm not proud of your case. But of course, I mean, handle the pet. They will not even
Honorable, sorry to disclose this, but he is a very close friend to Ibrahim Mama.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ibrahim. I'm afraid Ibrahim. Okay.
And Philip Big.
No, now Ibrahim on only power. Only power.
Odishi, Odishi.
I see.
Your land gas can help.
Yeah, there was a partner also working out there, but
information.
Exactly. Yeah, but